Hey YouTube family, I'm doing a new review today. This is a little bit different than what I've done in the past. These are actually, this is actually a kit that I bought. Actually, it's a lower kit and an upper kit from PSA or Palmetto State Armory. It's what they call it, a PA15. So this is the lower. So this is what they call the complete lower. So when you buy it, you get it in this, and this is what actually transfers to your FFL. You have to ship it directly to your FFL. Actually, the upper can go right directly to your home because it's not anything that needs to be transferred. So this is the piece that's actually considered to be the firearm. And yeah, so this is the lower. It's a nice unit. It's part of the AR-15 platform. They call it the PA15. And it's a really nice setup, beautiful stock, Magpul furniture. There's little, you can actually pop this out if you want, and there's storage in here. Not sure if I can do it one-handed, but that's what it is. So you pop it out, it's pretty much hollow in there. Nice grip, very textured grip. You got Palmetto State Armory logo with where it was made in South Carolina. This is the stamped version, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is the piece, and you just kind of put the two pieces together through these pins. Got a pin on each side, and when you clasp the upper to the lower, then you have a full firearm, obviously. It doesn't come with a magazine, so you have to buy that separately. I picked up one from my gun dealer when I made the transfer, but they're pretty cheap. I think if you buy them online, they're like 13 bucks or 14 bucks, something like that. So that's pretty much it. Again, this one has a polished trigger. They call it EPT. It's Palmetto Arms polished trigger setup. Really nice setup. Really very nice click on this, very positive click. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Adjustable stock. For those that are familiar with Magpul furniture, it's got everything you need to assemble an AR-15. So this is actually upper piece, again full upper. Comes in the box. It actually comes with the rear sight as well. So again, this is an FDE, and let's see. So this is this one can actually ship to your home. It's got the bolt carrier group. Basically has everything you need to make a full firearm. All you need to do is bolt it to the lower receiver, and you're pretty much good to go. It's got the Magpul furniture. Yeah, this is the barrel. Let me just spin this around. So the barrel is 5.56 Nato. Also, you can shoot .223 out of it, and it's got a 1.7 twist. Got the front sights, and like I said, you can put the rear sights on here. You can put a scope on here, depending on what you want to do. Yeah, so pretty much standard AR-15 platform, and I will be putting it together, and then I'm going to yeah, take it to the range, and we'll see how it performs. So just wanted to give you a preview and maybe even a price breakdown. So this was a really good deal. It's a Black Friday special, so to speak. It's actually cheaper when you buy the firearm in separate pieces because of tax or some kind of regulatory laws or whatever. So I think I purchased the top for, it was probably around $219, I think it was, something like that. The lower was I think $149, so pretty good deal. And there you have it. There's the full product. PSA AR-15 platform, pretty nice budget rifle. So just, you know, to put this together, all you do is these push pins here, when they're pushed out, you can drop in the upper into the lower, and then just push the pins from behind so they're snug. And now you have a complete firearm ready to shoot. Just need to get the magazine in there, and you're pretty much good to go. Nice price point. I'm really happy with what I got. So for around $500, I have a full unit I can work with and test it out. I'm going to put the rear sight on next, and then go from there and take it to the range and see how it shoots. I ordered some ammo online, so that's coming, and ammo prices are a little more expensive nowadays, but this is still probably one of the cheaper platforms to shoot. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.